Curly hair is much like the potatoes of the hair care world. There are just so many different ways to do them. You could wear a new curly hairdo almost every day of the week and it would still look fresh and new each morning. We've picked out 5 ways in which you could curl your hair to fit your every mood. On some days, we don't want to do anything. We want to lie down, relax, and let the little elves do the hard work overnight. Now, I can't promise you about the elves, but I can definitely promise you effortless curls overnight. Conventional doesn't have to mean boring. These classically perfect curls are just great to shield you from getting asked awkward questions at family events or getting roasted by your closest friends over dinner. All you need for this style is a regular curling iron. Picture this. You've texted your friends you've already left, but where are you? Sitting on the edge of your bed with a messy bun? It's alright, it's happened to the best of us. If you want to save face in such a situation and need a 5-minute hair lifesaver, this method is just what you need. I don't know about you, but in the last year especially, I felt like leaving behind all my possessions and moving to a tropical beach. I'm sure I can't be the only one that's harboring these escapist thoughts. We may be stuck at home, but this hairdo will at least make us feel like we've just returned from a long walk along the coastline. Some days, you just want to adopt a new identity and move to a whole new country. Again, this isn't a realistic thought, but trying out a completely new look with your hair is still possible. These tightly wound curls can ironically help you loosen up on any given stressed out Saturday. We've covered everything from lazy overnight curls to completely hair-changing looks today. Let me know which of these curly makeovers was your favorite in the comments below. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.